students, welcome to VZ. VZ Easy presents NCERT solution for class 12th, and today we'll be discussing chapter number 7. Chapter 7 is evolution. Okay, so in this session we're going to discuss two things. One, how you're supposed to write an answer, and two, explanation of a specific answer. So students, let's start with question 1. Question 1 here says, explain antibiotic resistance observed in bacteria in light of Darwinian selection theory. Okay, so in this thing, what you're supposed to do is, what is antibiotic resistance? Okay, something that is resisting the other. Okay, now antibiotic, a substance that is killing bacteria, is known as antibiotic. Now resistance. Resistance means to resist the effect of the antibiotic. So what here it means is, what Darwin said is, whosoever or whatever organism resists the change and survives ahead can multiply the population. So we'll start writing the answer as according to Darwin, in a mixed population. Okay, the individuals which can better adapt and increase in population and size. This is what Darwin's theory was. He at the end meant survival of the fittest. Now, the same thing which happens in antibiotic. Now, antibiotics are used to kill bacteria, disease causing bacteria. Now, when a bacterial population encounters a particular antibiotic, those sensitive to it will die, but few of them will resist it and they will survive. Then the one which survives, that means the surviving bacteria multiplies quickly as the competing bacteria have died, and thus the entire population becomes resistant and the antibiotic becomes ineffective against the disease. Okay, so the gist of this answer is, what is antibiotic resistance and what did Darwin mean? And just have to link the two of them. Darwin said whosoever will survive will thrive the population. Now, there is couple of bacteria. Okay, say 5 of them. Out of the 5, only one is resistant. He is thriving the effect or neglecting the effect of antibiotics. So that particular organism will become antibiotic resistant. Okay students, clear? Now, all the other 4 could not survive the effect of antibiotics and they died. Now there is no competition. So this one bacterial species will become the entire population, and that would be something known as antibiotic resistance. Okay students, so here we are done with question number 1.